Use these indicators to make serious profits every single week. In today's video, I'm going to show you a trading method using the TDI and exponential moving averages to make insane profits every single week. And it's super simple and it requires little to no time. So let's jump straight into it. The method is based off three separate things. Two of them are EMAs and one is the TDI. So we'll get the EMAs on our chart now. I'm going to go up to indicators, type in EMA. This moving average exponential here, click that twice. For the first one, I'm going to change the input length to 50. I put my style to orange and the thickness to 2. For the second EMA, put the input length to 200 and the style to white, thickness 2. We'll be using these EMAs to spot trend and direction in the market. This is definitely best on the 1 hour time frame, which means you can trade a lot less, and you can even use EMA indicators to set alerts for when these cross. You can also use the 15-minute time frame for quicker trades. The 50 EMA is below the 200 EMA, so that's the orange one is below the white one. We're only looking for sells, in the market, but I'm going to show you the exact setup and trade to take. Vice versa for buys, when the orange line, the 50, crosses above the 200, the white one, we're only looking for buys in this area. But again, I'm going to show you the exact buy that we're going to take and how to enter it. So the second indicator that we need is the TDI. You can use this one here. I like to change the upper bands to white, and then we can remove the plot background. RSI, I'm going to change that colour to yellow for both. And then the slow MA, I'm going to change that to red. And I'll show you how we're going to use it now. For this exact trading method to work, we need three things to occur. So the 50 EMA goes below the 200 EMA, so we're now in a downtrend, so we're looking for sells. We are looking for shark fins on the TDI. So when price spikes up out of the bands, which are these grey outer lines here, to make things easier, we can also remove the middle of the bands, or the bottom of this grey line, and spikes back in. This is what's known as a shark fin. For a sell, we're looking for the 50 EMA to cross below the 200, and then we're waiting for a pullback to one of the EMAs. You can see it came down here, pulled back to this 50 EMA, made a shark fin on the TDI, and came back under and closed. Now we could have entered our trade right on that candle close there, because it's locked behind the EMA again. Now it's up to you where you want to put the stop loss. Some people recommend just above the high, but the market maker is known to stop hunt above that high, or you could place the stop hunt at the 200 EMA. It had a 61 pip stop loss for a profit target of 183 pips. If we do drag this over, you can see that the full move was 397 pips in total. Now no one is going to catch a full move exactly, and we wouldn't know when to get out doing this method because the TDI has crossed over the slow MA line multiple times. So vice versa for a buy, we want to wait for the 50 EMA to cross above the 200 EMA. So this is the orange line to cross above the white line. Waiting for price to pull back to the EMAs and give a clear sharp shark fin. They're almost pointing directly downward and spike straight back in, pointing almost upward. This was a clear bounce off the 200 EMA, and it also showed a candle pattern. If you don't know, this is what a railroad tracks looks like. Just imagine it as actual railroad tracks. But like I said, so the 50 crosses above the 200 EMA, so we're only looking for buys. And then on the TDI, we're waiting for a clear shark fin to cross. Once this yellow RSI line has crossed and closed above the red signal line, then we can look for entering the trade. So we would enter our trade on the start of this candle here, or if you wanted to be safe, you could enter it at the start of this candle here when price is closed back above the 50 EMA. Set your stop loss just above the shark fin. Now there's a couple different ways you could do this. You could target 1-to-1 risk to reward, or you can target a different amount, but you can see the full move here was 247 pips. Now like I said, it's impossible to catch the exact amount of pips in a move, but there's definitely some indicators there that can help you get pretty close. If you do want me to backtest this method, please do let me know in the comments and leave a like on this video. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Like I said, for a buy, wait for the EMAs to cross, wait for a shark fin on the TDI, and then enter when the yellow line crosses the red on the TDI, or when price closes back above the EMA. Please definitely do hit that subscribe button, I appreciate it a lot. If you are interested in getting a funded account, I do have an affiliate link for my Forex funds in the description if you want to sign up today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.